First, we start out with a topic that's not so cheery, but an important one. Toenail fungus. It affects nearly 25 million people around America, and toenail fungus causes the toenail to actually, it's thick and it turns yellow. If you have a fungus infection and you're thinking about different treatments, there are a few options. A Step Ahead Foot and Ankle Center in Fort Collins and Loveland offers your solutions for your foot and ankle care. Now, their highly trained staff offers a variety of treatments for a number of ailments that no one wants to deal with. And I'm sure pleased to have Dr. Robert Schulte with us today from A Step Ahead Foot and Ankle Center in Fort Collins and Loveland. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
So exactly what is toenail fungus? What does it do to the nail?
Well, it's an invasion of fungus into the toenail, and it usually starts at the end of the nail and then works its way back. And it gets thicker and thicker and then starts to destroy the nail bed eventually.
So it completely destroys the nail bed.
It can, yes.
Does it hurt?
If it gets thick enough, it'll rub in the shoes, and then that's what becomes painful.
So we can hear the machine right now. It's on, and we're going to see and talk a little bit more. But what are the previous treatment options available for something like this?
Well, unfortunately, we didn't have much. We started off with some topical medications, and unfortunately, very often they would not work. Only about 6% of the time. And then we have oral medications, which are more effective in probably the 60 to 70% range. But there is some chance of liver toxicity, and unfortunately it can start to can damage the liver.
Those are some horrible pictures.
Yeah, not so good.
But you could take care of it. What causes toenail fungus?
Well, I think really the reality of it is that we're cooped up in shoes all the time, and it's warm and it's moist, and unfortunately that environment is perfect for fungus.
Okay, the procedure that you do, tell me how it works. Is it painful?
Typically there's no pain at all involved. There might be a slight heat. We do have adjustments to where we can lower the level if we need to make it more comfortable for people. And basically it's a very intense, strong light that penetrates through the skin and the nail. The neat thing with this particular laser is how quick it is. You get 5 pulses per second. A billionth of a second is how quick the pulse goes through the nail and the skin, and that allows it to penetrate one deep and actually kill the nail, the fungus in the nail, so it'll grow out normally.
One-time treatment?
One-time treatment.
Okay.
It's shown to be about 95% effective on the mild to moderate cases.
So we're looking at how the laser works, and that's the laser that you have here in studio. Are there any side effects, and what's the recovery period, doctor?
There's been several thousand patients treated and no known side effects. Recovery takes approximately 9 to 12 months. The nail basically has to start over and grow anew from the base of the nail before the improvement is noted.
So that's the same picture before, or the same patient?
Yes.
So before and that's after one treatment?
Yes.
That person really had no nail. The entire nail bed was gone.
It loosens and it kind of starts to come away from the skin, and will basically fall off if given enough time. And
it affects men and women alike?
It does.
Okay. What's the average cost for the laser?
Well, the average cost right now is approximately $900 to $1,200 for one treatment. With this latest technology, the prices have come down. We offer in the office for one toenail $300, and then $600 for 2 to 5 toenails, and then $900 for all 10.
Is it possible that you may need more than one treatment? Have you heard of that before?
It is possible. Sometimes one area will get better, but another area will not. And what we offer is just to retreat that area after 4 months, so that we make sure we finish the job, so to speak.
What about insurance? Would this be covered at all, or maybe a health plan that you
Right now it's been considered cosmetic, and it's not covered. I do know that a lot of HSA accounts, health saving accounts, will actually cover the cost of the laser, which makes it more affordable.
Good. So the number is 970-493-4660. 970-493-4660. You can go to their website, which is newqlaser.com. And a lot of people don't realize something's wrong with their body until it hurts. But what if the nail is just thick, maybe a little yellow, but it doesn't hurt? Should they still come in for a treatment?
Definitely, because if we can do something early, our odds of being better, obviously, or better result, increases with the decrease in involvement of the nail.
You brought the laser here. Can you, I know we're not going to use it right now, but can you just explain what it is and what areas you actually use?
So basically the laser beam is transmitted out this port, And then we have adjustments for not only the intensity but the frequency of the pulses. And it's a very strong light. We have to wear goggles to protect our eyes because it could cause damage to the eyes if it was pointed at it. It's a very simple technique. It's just a couple passes each direction to make sure everything is covered. And what's nice about it is it is painless and quick.
Yeah, look at
very effective.
We're watching how you actually do it right now in the office. 970-493-4660. If somebody's tried like oral medication topical cream and it hasn't worked in the past, do you think that the laser would work?
The odds are actually much better with the laser than the topicals or the orals.
And you have a good reason why people don't need to think twice about this treatment. You're making it really easy for our viewers today.
We're trying to,
yeah.
Because one, I think it's getting in early and doing something about it early will actually save them from future problems, and it gets more expensive the more nails involved. So we offer a free consultation for someone to come in that watches the show.
Good.
And then we have lowered the prices significantly from what it was.
Excellent. And right now we may be hiding our toes because of the cold weather, but soon again you're going to show them in like those cute little shoes, ladies. You've got to get that taken care of, and it can happen to both men and women. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Again, A Step Ahead Foot and Ankle Center has been in practice since 1984. A Step Ahead Foot and Ankle Center can move you forward with all of the extra leg work. They take their patients very, very seriously and provide a patient care team that will have you out of pain in no time. You'll be pain-free. Call their office in Fort Collins or Loveland. The number is 970-493-4660. 970-493-4660. Right now, tell them you saw them on the show. You're going to receive a complimentary consultation to see if this service fits your needs. A quick foot and ankle physical and treatment the same day. That's all that's needed. Call the Step Ahead Foot and Ankle Clinic, 970-493-4660. And their website, you can check that out at newqlaser.com. A Step Ahead Foot and Ankle Center paid for this segment.